today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money using the Phantom wallet. So let's dive right in and explore the steps you need to take to navigate this process effectively. First, you'll want to open your Phantom wallet. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your homepage, which is where all the magic happens. Here, you can view your balance and see the tokens you hold. This main hub also provides you with numerous features, including the options to receive, send, swap, and buy tokens. Each of these functions offers unique opportunities to manage and grow your digital assets. So let's take a closer look at how you can earn by investing within the Phantom wallet. One of the most straightforward methods to start earning is by buying coins. To initiate a purchase, simply click on the Buy button. You'll want to select Solana as it's often a popular choice among investors. After selecting Solana, you can enter the amount you wish to purchase. Payments can be made conveniently through a debit or credit card, allowing you to easily invest in the crypto space. Another exciting feature of the Phantom wallet is the ability to earn through swapping coins. If swapping sounds intriguing to you, here's how you can do it. Click on the Swap option. You'll then need to select the coins you wish to receive. The wallet provides a broad array of coins, so take your time to explore your options and make a choice that aligns with your investment goals. Once you've decided, enter the amount you want to swap and ensure that you have sufficient funds in your wallet to complete the transaction. Swapping can be a strategic way to diversify your holdings and potentially increase your returns. Receiving coins is also an integral part of using Phantom wallet and could enhance your earning potential. To receive coins, click on the Receive option. Select the coins you want to accept and you'll be given a simple address to use. Copy this address and share it with whoever needs to send you tokens. For added convenience, the wallet displays a QR code linked to your address, making it easy for senders to complete transactions swiftly and accurately. With these tools at your disposal, you'll find that Phantom wallet offers plenty of opportunities to engage with cryptocurrency and potentially grow your investment. Just remember to manage your assets wisely, remain informed about market trends, and always ensure your wallet is secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Phantom wallet experience.